You don't have to be an expert in anything to do with woodwork or design to become a Glowforge owner and enjoy it. My name's Rob, I'm from London, and I'm a proud Glowforge owner in the UK. For me, creativity is a form of therapy. I'm autistic, so I have certain quirks and certain needs, and I've always found that art, design, and now crafting with the lasers is a fantastic form of therapy for me. I always want to learn new things, I want to try new things, and I've always liked woodwork. I was never really good at it, but now I can do things with wood I never thought I'd be able to do, thanks to the Glowforge. I found Glowforge in 2015, and when it came to actually going for it, I realised how the process worked and realised it's not so bad, and it was feasible after all. So I went for it, and then lo and behold, 6 months later, Glowforge announced that they're launching in the UK, and that was a big shock to me and a big surprise and a welcome one. Glowforge have opened up a can of worms over here, a welcome can of worms. I think it's going to grow exponentially over here, and it makes me feel proud to be part of that, especially at its inception. It's bringing out the creativity in people, and even people that aren't that creative can become Glowforge owners and make a small business out of it, or even if, like me, they want to have a small business but also use it as a form of therapy, so it's a hobby that helps them. The Glowforge is a great tool for expressing that creativity, and you don't need to be a designer, you don't need to be trained in anything. I'm self-taught in everything I do. The Glowforge catalogue has some amazing designs there, and many sites and blogs where you can get free files and where you can create things for yourself, for your family, friends, and also, like I said, make a small business. You can have very simple tools. You can pick up a pen and draw something on a piece of paper and trace it and make a tree ornament. I like simplicity and I like things to be straightforward. The Glowforge is a plug and play machine. You can set it up, turn the power on, and within half an hour you've printed something out of wood or acrylic, and you created something yourself, and it's an amazing feeling.